Welcome back to Two Guys Kitchen, where we're two guys cooking simple food for fun. Today we're going to be doing a little tip and trick with garlic. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is peeling garlic. Always really easy. Everyone tries to smash it down, but the problem is you never get the skin all the way off, and a lot of times you end up having to peel it. It gets underneath your fingernails. Who wants stinky fingernails? So what we're going to do here is we're going to just put it on the cutting board. We're going to take our little bowl and we're just going to do a quick smash. Pop it into the bowl here and shake it up. So if you have any kiddos, they would love this. All right, and as you can see, none of this came apart. Oh crap. All right, put it down, pop it out. See this nice fresh garlic already peeled. Nice and easy, so that way you don't have the stink hand. And of course, that's our tip and trick of the day. So if you're wanting to like our videos, hit the like button and please follow us, and we'll see you soon.